How to turn on aim assist in Fortnite. Kindly help me achieve 1,000 subscribers as we get started. Open Fortnite. From the main menu, select your avatar in the top right. Select the gear near the bottom of the menu. Once in the settings, select the controller gear icon in the top menu labeled Controller. Scroll down and enable advanced options under Sensitivity. Then, under Advanced Sensitivity, make sure aim assist strength is at 100%. After you've done that, apply changes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.